years I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, 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 la 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 la. La 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 la.
Hey guys, have you been in a situation where you actually want that cloth but it has been torn out or out of your size? Come on, let's check it out of recreating it. In today's video, let me show you how I actually recreated my old t-shirt. This is not a rocket science. It's much easier to learn designing any prints and sell it out. Come on, let's get started. So before getting started, I would like to have a picture of this bike. So when I search for the pic with bike with wings, here I am getting the vector monochrome illustration of motorcycle with wings. So let me save that. Using the Adobe Creative Cloud Express, I'm going to remove the background of the bike picture. You can actually remove the background from the picture. And you can just download it. Here it will ask the choose a background type. So in that you can give transparent PNG. There is another method. You can use the background remover and upload your picture. And in the edit option, you just give high resolution. If you sign up for free, it will give the high resolution image. And here we have the photo of the monochrome illustration of the bike with wings. Now my pic is ready. Now visit Canva. Choose the create a design and give t-shirts. So the first thing is you should upload the bike picture. You can select the bike picture. Make sure you download the picture in high resolution. So after placing the bike, let's just compare it with our old t-shirt. So I would like to make a filter with their grayscale, and we can adjust a little bit. This adjusts our brightness and contrast. Actually, if we add a background, it will be much easier. So let me go for the background. The document color, I'm giving the color code. This is deep royal blue. So now we can edit the bike picture. So we have given the grayscale, and we have to adjust. Okay, this is fine. Then after inserting our bike, we can give the text. The main heading is road coaster. The main heading is Roadster Life. Now you can change the color. Then I'm changing the font to Excel semi-bold. I've already cross-checked many text and font styles with my old t-shirt. Make sure you also do change the font size according to your respective clothing. I'm just giving shadow, and in the effects I would like to give the curve. Here you can adjust the curve size. Left looks perfect. Then we will add the side headings. Road Kings. For this I am giving bangers and change the color. You can just copy and paste and change the text on the other side. That's it. Then I will give the bottom heading fast custom motor jumps. I will give Allura font. Change the color and I will give splice effect. Let me change the thickness and offset and direction too. Last but not the least, I will give the last bottom text. Time. Trophy. We'll give Norwester. Change the color. That's it. So our t-shirt design is ready. Now we can remove the background of this picture and insert it to the t-shirt. Just download it. Make sure you download in high quality image PNG. You can see here the removed background picture. You can see here the picture of our design with transparent background. Then go to the Teespring website. You can use any of the print design selling website. Go to start creating. In this you can choose any clothing. I will choose the long sleeve tee. and just choose my product color, and I'm gonna add my picture. Here you can see we have added the picture to our t-shirt. You can just see the print quality as good. Make sure you are editing in high resolution. Okay, you can preview it. So after designing a t-shirt, you can set your price and go to continue. So here you can see the various designs. You can have a pullover, hoodie, many things. Sweat t-shirt. So I'm interested in this. You can just go to continue and you can give a title to your product. You can give a title to your product. I'm giving the Roadstar t-shirt. You can give some description and then publish listing. So after publish listing, you can go to the store where you have this. You can choose your size accordingly. Actually, you can set the price from $14 for this t-shirt. It's up to you. Then go to add to cart and proceed checkout. Here you can buy your recreated t-shirt. Here you have the product details about this materials. So this is how you can purchase your recreated t-shirt. I hope you learned something much interesting. See you in another video.